Hi everybody, Dylan here with Segway of Ontario, and today we're going to be doing another buyer's guide video, this time on the new Ninebot Mecha Kit. The Mecha Kit is the newest accessory for the Ninebot S, S Pro, and S Kids, so here's everything you need to know. The Ninebot Mecha Kit has got to be one of the most fun, imaginative, and interactive Ninebot devices that I've maybe ever seen. Just a bit of background here so that you know how it works. The Ninebot S, or S Pro, or S Kids essentially serves as the main power hub for the Ninebot Mecha Kit. To assemble it, you simply lift the Mecha Kit up, roll your Ninebot S underneath, lower it down into place, strap it on, and then the Ninebot S essentially serves as the motor and front two wheels of the Ninebot Mecha Kit. The assembly was very straightforward and easy to do. It only took about 10 minutes. We actually made an unboxing and assembly video, which you can follow along to right here. I'll start by saying that when I first sat down on it, I definitely did not feel cool. But as I started riding it around and I started using the dual triggers to fire some water pellets, I had an absolute blast, and you could not get me off that device. In terms of riding mechanics and steering, the Mecha Kit is a little bit less intuitive than the Ninebot GoKart series. To go forward, you push both joysticks forward. To turn, push one joystick forward and pull the other one back. And to go backwards, you push both joysticks backwards. The top speed on the Mecha Kit is only about 14 kilometers an hour, which, if you're a thrill seeker, might not fulfill that need. Maybe you want to go with a Ninebot GoKart, but what it lacks in speed, it makes up for in shooting mechanics. The top range on the Mecha Kit is very much subject to which device you are using as the power base for the device. So if you're using the Ninebot S, you're going to get about 22 kilometers in range, and if you're using the S Kids, you're going to get about 10 kilometers in range. Take these maximum ranges with a grain of salt. These are the advertised ranges based on if you were riding in ideal conditions and on a lower speed setting. The frame of the Mecha Kit is a solid steel frame, and the outer shell is more of a rubberized plastic. So you can have a lot of comfort knowing that if you bump into things or other people riding one of these Mecha Kits, you're not going to do significant damage to the chassis of the device. And this device very much is best enjoyed with other people. So if you can get a group of people with these, you're gonna have an absolute blast. The shooting mechanics are very straightforward. You have two triggers on both joysticks on either side, and you can fire either one at a time or both at the same time. You can also change the speed at which it fires, so there's a rapid shooter mode and a slower shooter mode. You do also get in the box a target practice, so you can practice your shooting before you go out and take on your friends. Now I have to say this, don't shoot it at people's faces. That should go without saying, but I still have to say it. The water pellets that come with the device are totally biodegradable, so you can fire them outside with confidence knowing that you don't have to go around collecting them afterwards. I shot a ton of them in our office, and it was a bit of a cleanup job, so best to do it outside. To prep the water pellets, all you need to do is take one small capful, pour it into some water, and let it sit for about 4 hours. Then when it's ready to go, you open up the armrest of your device, you pour the pellets in, and then you're good to go. I was surprised how far one small capful goes. So should you go with the Ninebot GoKart Pro or GoKart First Gen, or should you go with the new Ninebot Mecha Kit? If you've got a need for speed, you can't go wrong with the GoKart series. Those things can really fly, and they're tons of fun. But if you don't have a space where you can take advantage of the high speeds of the GoKart series, and you're looking for something very fun and interactive, the Ninebot Mecha Kit is the way to go. It's also more affordable than the Ninebot GoKarts, and it gets more fun the more people you add to the game. So I think the better question is, should you get one or two? We get this question all the time. What age range is this device for? Well, it's recommended for kids 14 and up, but really what I like to say for all these devices is it's great for kids and it's great for kids at heart. I challenge you to sit on the Mecha Kit, fire a couple bullets, and not have a smile on your face. So if the Ninebot Mecha Kit seems like the right device for you, it is now available to purchase in Ontario at segwayofontario.com. Or visit us in the Distillery District, Toronto at 11 Gristmill Lane. If you'd like to test ride the Mecha Kit or any other Segway Ninebot device in Toronto, follow the link in the description below to sign up for a demo. If you have any more questions about the Ninebot Mecha Kit, feel free to drop them in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like. And if you really like our content, please subscribe to our channel to get more inside scoop on new Segway Ninebot devices. For all of us at Segway of Ontario, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the trails.